All right, let's get real about making money online in 2025. You've seen the ads. People working from the beach sipping coconuts promising you'll be rich by next week. But here's the untold truth. Most of those stories are more fiction than fact. The first big myth? Passive income is easy. I wish. The truth is, whether it's YouTube, dropshipping, or freelancing, there's a ton of work up front. You're learning skills, building trust, and hustling through a lot of failure before the money even starts trickling in. Second, let's talk about those overnight successes. They're almost never overnight. Most creators, entrepreneurs, or influencers you follow have been grinding for years behind the scenes. You just didn't see the sleepless nights, the failed projects, or the endless tweaking. Another myth? That you need a massive audience to make money? Nope. In 2025, it's all about finding your niche and serving a small, loyal group really well. 10 true fans can be worth more than 1,000 random followers. But here's the good news. Opportunities are everywhere. From AI-powered side gigs to remote consulting, I've seen everyday people turn weird skills into real income streams. The key? Be ready to experiment, fail, and keep learning as the internet keeps changing. So, if you're dreaming of making money online this year, remember, it's possible, but not easy. Forget the shortcuts. Focus on real value, keep showing up, and build something you're proud of. That's the truth nobody tells you, and it's honestly what works. That's the truth nobody tells you, and it's honestly what works. If you want practical next steps, subscribe and I'll walk you through what to do first. No easy passive income. Overnight is rare. Find a niche. Experiment and keep learning. Serve a small audience well, and you can build a real business. Use tools to scale your work, not replace the value you deliver. Expect failures. They're the data you need. And sometimes the small wins add up faster than you expect. It's a climb. Worth it if you care about building something real. No shortcuts. Focus on meaningful work. Keep showing up. Build something you're proud of. This is the truth that actually works. Subscribe for guides and step-by-step plans.